Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 338, Restricting External Identity Providers. While the ability to leverage external identity providers in Power Pages is an important feature, in some organizations, or for some sites, it is not something that is needed. Recently, Microsoft has made it possible for administrators to control which sites in their tenant can enable external identity providers. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The governance setting can be found in the Power Platform Admin Center. Go to Manage, then Power Pages, and click the Governance Controls drop-down. Select Enable External Authentication Providers. Here, you can choose which sites can configure external identity providers. Your options include all sites except specific sites, or no sites. For sites that are not enabled for external identity providers, the only login option is Enter ID. The Identity Providers area in the Security Workspace in the Power Pages Design Studio will show not available for all of the other provider options. If you have a site meant only for internal users to access using Enter ID, I'd recommend enabling this governance option to ensure other identity providers are not accidentally enabled. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 338 on restricting external identity providers useful.